Block paving is by far the most popular material for driveways across the UK. However, due to the porous nature of the material and the gaps between each block, it's difficult to keep large areas looking good because of weeds, moss and algae. Smart Seal can supply everything you need to make your driveway look new, keep it free of weeds, algae and moss, and protect against staining and colour fading due to exposure to the elements. The process is simple. Firstly, pre-treat with weed or moss killer, and then apply our driveway cleaner half an hour before pressure washing. When pressure washing the paving, it's vital that you also concentrate on thoroughly clearing out the joints. The pressure washing, resanding and sealing process can take place from early spring till late autumn. After cleaning, allow the area to dry thoroughly, which should only take a few days. Sweep the kiln-dried sand into the joints and, if possible, consolidate it with a vibrating plate. Prior to sealing, ensure no sand is left on the surface of the blocks. Application of Smart Seal solvent-free block paving sealer is easy using a watering can or sprayer. Apply it liberally and use a squeegee to force the sealer deeply into the sand. The further it penetrates, the longer the sand will remain solid, and therefore the longer it will stop weeds and moss returning. Leave to dry for a minimum of 1 hour and a maximum of 4 hours. Then identify any areas where the sand may have sunk deeper into the joints. Top up those areas with sand and reapply a lighter second coat to the area with a watering can or sprayer. These two driveways were cleaned at the same time 2 years ago, and the benefit of applying Smart Seal block paving sealer is clear to see. After sealing, you can walk on the paving after a couple of hours and drive on it after 24 hours. By keeping the jointing sand in place, your driveway is stronger. This cross-section shows how the sealed sand becomes solid, and to illustrate its adhesive strength, these 3 blocks are held together by sand and sealer alone. Your block paving now looks great, weed-free, protected and easy to maintain. And with a top-up coat every few years, weed, moss and algae can be a thing of the past.